Welcome back to the Mountain Man Medical YouTube channel. Thanks for hanging out. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the best ways that I know of keeping a trauma kit on you at all times, but then not having to carry it in your pockets or carry a little bag around. Pretty great little idea. Hang out. We're going to talk about that next. All right, guys, before we get into this video, go ahead and hit a like and subscribe. That's a free way to support the channel. Helps me keep these videos coming out to you. Share this video with someone that you love. Maybe this is something that they need. And you can find everything that I'm showing you right now over at the mountainmanmedical.com website. So head over there and check that out if this is something you're interested in. But without further ado, let's check this kit out. All right, and here's my trauma kit. Underneath of the pants, tucked away nice and tight. This is an ankle IFAK kit. Again, you can find this entire thing over on the mountainmanmedical.com website. It's got some different items in it than what I've got in it today. This is just for the demonstration, but feel free to customize this with whatever you want. Now, the little band here, the ankle cuff, is made by The Wilderness. I had a chance to go to their shop, got to meet the people in charge there. Great little family-owned and run business. It's a fantastic. They do fantastic work. I know a little thing or two about stitches and good work, and this, in my opinion, is some of the best that I've ever seen. I think that this will work very well for you. I know people who have been carrying this way for years, and they have their original ankle cuff, and besides a couple of loose threads that they touch up with a lighter every now and then, they say that it's 100% good to go. I haven't had this one for too long, so I haven't had a chance to run it through the paces. And I thought that this was going to be uncomfortable, and it's not. I was very surprised by how comfortable that this actually is to carry. It looks a little awkward. It looks like it's not going to hide away, but almost nobody's going to be looking at your cuff leg. And even if they do, maybe there's a little bulge there. They might think that's a little odd, but that's as far as it's going to go. So if you want to be a little more gray man, a little more incognito, then this might be a good option for you. I like to carry the trauma kit on the left leg because if I'm here working on a casualty and I need to be taking care of him, I have everything that I need at my disposal. Got my tourniquet. This is the SOF-T Wide. You can carry a cat tourniquet, but it's a little more awkward, doesn't pack quite as well. This is a nice flat fold. I think the SOF-T Wide works the best. You could carry a TMT tourniquet, but this is a little on the thick side, so it doesn't pack quite as well. But this is another great option if you want. I still think the SOF-T Wide is a superior tourniquet for carrying in this method. But if you want to check out a review on this, I did a review a little while ago, so I'll drop a link down in the description and right up here. So if you can go check that video out. Next to that, I have an H&H pressure dressing. This is flat folded, of course, so it packs even nicer. This is ChitoGauze. This is the Pro version. This is also really well flat folded. The other thing that I've got in here are 2 pairs of trauma gloves. And you've got 1 pair for you and another pair for a helper, or an extra backup pair if you rip the first one trying to get it on in the chaos. And then the last thing that I carry in here is just a pair of trauma shears. And this is a pretty decent little trauma IFAK kit. You can also get chest seals in here. The chest seals, especially the Hyfin compact chest seals, they fit in there nice and easy. That's a great way of being able to treat gunshot wounds and other penetrating trauma to the chest. And you have a full kit of trauma gear, and you can take care of at least one very screwed up person. And that's one of the reasons why I like this ankle IFAK kit. You can carry all of these items. I added the compact Hyfin chest seals there so you can kind of see what that looks like. And it doesn't add any extra bulk or anything since this is running up your leg anyway. It's not that big a deal. And it looks uncomfortable. It seems like it would be, but you forget that it's there pretty dang quick. This thing is actually fairly comfortable, especially after you've worn it a week or two and it's nice and broken in. That's gonna soften these fibers up for you and make it a little more of a custom fit, right? All right, guys, that is the ankle IFAK kit. If you want this kit or any of the items in it, feel free to head over to the mountainmanmedical.com website where we sell all of our products. Great little item. And before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. That's a free way to support the channel. Appreciate everybody sticking it out. I'll catch you in the next one.